Find your retreat nestled in a peaceful cul-de-sac setting in the Stonegate Villas 55-plus community. Step inside to a spacious great room brightened by Andersen windows and anchored by custom cabinetry throughout. With solid core doors adding to the refined finish, this area seamlessly connects to a cozy sunroom. The kitchen features quality cabinetry and opens fluidly to the living spaces, maintaining a clean, open layout. Durable vinyl flooring flows underfoot, while ceiling fans and central air ensure comfort all year round. All 3 bedrooms are conveniently located on the main level. The owner's suite and guest rooms benefit from easy flow and accessibility. Step out into the private concrete patio, complete with a canopy roof extension for refreshing outdoor living. The backyard backs up to a tranquil lot, offering both enjoyment and privacy. The attached 2-car garage provides plenty of storage with added cabinet space, extra-wide attic access, and pre-wiring setup for a heater, so it's perfect for a hobby owner or additional workspace. This peaceful move-in ready villa awaits with everything you need. Call Kelly Burrell to learn more.